Good morning students. Today we will continue with the volume and surface area. Today we will discuss cone. Cone is a right circular cone where this is the radius, this is the height, and this is the L is the slant height. As it is a right angle triangle, the slant height is equal to h square plus r square under the root. Curve surface area is the outer pi r L. Total surface area is curve surface area plus area of base. Base is circular pi r square and the volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Today we will discuss few sums related to that. The first sum is example 1 is find the curve surface area of cone whose slant height is 25 centimeter and whose radius of base is 7 centimeter. So curve surface area is pi r L 22 by 7 into 7 into 25. This is cancelled. So answer will be 550 centimeter square. Example 2. Example 2 is the circumference of a base. Circumference of a base of 16 meter high. Height is 16 meter. Circumference of a base is equal to circumference of a base is 33, which is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 33. R is equal to 33 into 7 by 2 into 22. This is 11 3s are 11 2s are. R is equal to 21 by 4. So we have to find the surface area. That means the curve surface area. The curve surface area is pi r L. So where the L will be equal to 16 square plus 21 by 4 whole square under the root. So it will be 4537 by 16 under the root, and which will be equal to 16.84. So it is 22 by 7, r is 21 by 4, 16.84. So answer will be 277.86 centimeter square. Example 3. Example 3 is the curve surface area of cone is. In every question, if you draw the figure, then it will be more beneficial. The curve surface area is 4070. The diameter is 70 centimeter. And what is the slant height? So curve surface area. Curve surface area is pi r L is equal to 4070. 22 by 7, r is 35, L we have to find 4070. L is equal to 4070 into 7 by 35 into 22. This is cancelled with 5. This is 814 and this is 22 to 11 sevens and 11 4s are. This is 37. So L is equal to 37 centimeter. Example 4. Example 4 is radius and slant height are in 4:7. Radius ratio slant height is 4:7 and the curve surface area. The curve surface area is 792 centimeter square. Find radius. So we know that the radius is 4x, slant height is 7x, curve surface area is equal to 792 pi RL is equal to 792 22 by 7 into 4x into 7x 792. So 7x is equal to 792 into 7 x7 upon 4x into x. X into x is x square. X square is equal to into 4 into 7 into 22. This is cancel 4. This is 4 ones are 3 9, 4 nines are 4 eights are 27 eights are 92. This is 2. This is 11 ones are 11 eights are. This is 9. So x square is equal to 9, x is equal to 3. So radius is 4x. 4 into 3 is 12 centimeter. Example 5. Example 5 is how many square meter of a canvas is required? How much canvas is required? The circumference of a base. The circumference of a base is of 10 meter high. Height is 10 meter. Circumference is 44 meter. Calculate the length of a canvas required. Calculate the length of canvas required for making tent if width of canvas is 2 meter. So first of all we have to find the area of canvas required. Area of canvas required is pi r n. So circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 44. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44. Radius is 7. H is 10, r is 7. So the slant height is L is 10 square plus 7 square under the root. L is equal to 100 plus 49 under root. L is equal to 149, which is equal to 12.21. So pi CSA. So the curve surface area is pi RL 22 by 7 into 7 into 21 by 22 centimeter square. So length of cloth is equal to curve surface area divided by 2. Example number 6 is a corn cob is like a cone with the radius is 3.5 and height. Cone cob. It is like this. Its radius is 3.5. Its height is 21 centimeter. If 1 centimeter of each square, if 1 centimeter square of surface of cone cob carries 5 grains, find how many grains the cob contains. So first of all, for that we need the curve surface area. Curve surface area is pi r L, and L is equal to 21 square plus 3.1 raised to the power 2 under the root. L is equal to 453.25 under root, and the under root of this will be 21.29 centimeter. So CSA is pi r L, so 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 21.29, so it will be 234.19 centimeter square. Number of grains in 1 centimeter square is equal to 5, so total will be 234.19 into 5, it will be 1171 approximately. Next question. Next question is, when we have a combination of figure. Combination of figure, the circus tent is of a cylindrical to the height 3 and conical above it. It is cylindrical up to the height 3 and then conical above it. If the radius is 52.5 meter and the slant height of conical portion is 53 meter, find the area of canvas required. Find the area of canvas required. So when we require the canvas, we have to put the canvas here and here. That means canvas required is curve surface area of cone plus CSA of cylinder. Curve surface area of cone pi r L plus 2 pi r h. Pi r is common, L plus 2h. 22 by 7, r is 55 by 10, L is 53 plus 2 into 3. So it will be 22 by 7 into 525 by 10 into 59, that will be 9735 centimeters square. When we say the curved surface area, means the exposed part which we can see or which we can paint, right? And the last sum of this part is, example 8 is, a choker cap is in the form of a cone with the radius is 7, height is 24. Find the area of sheet. Find the the area of sheet required for 10 such caps. So for one cap is CSA, which is pi r L. We don't have L. L is 24 square plus 7 square under the root. So L is equal to under root 625 is equal to 25. So 22 by 7 pi r L is 25 and we required for 10 such caps. 550 into 2 is 850 500 centimeters square.